Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. Quick educational video today, and I would like to talk with you today about this question. What can you do if your baby has suffered an injury at birth and you have questions or you have concerns as to whether it was something developmental or whether it was something genetic, or maybe there have been medical malpractice involved, and you have these questions, but you're not ready to speak with an attorney right away? What can you do? What you can do is you can get your medical records. Get the medical records that are surrounding not only your labor and delivery, but we want to make sure that you have all of your records from your stay in the hospital, all right? And so that's really important, and that's something that you can do immediately. You can get the medical records. Now, when you request the medical records from the hospital, you want to make sure that you get you want to make sure that you get your records. Make sure that you get mom's records. You want to make sure that you get the baby's records. And you want to make sure that you get the readings from the electronic fetal heart monitor. Now, why do I say all of these? Why do you want all three? The reason being is because if you do not only speak to an attorney, but if you speak with a doctor to get a second opinion or another medical professional, these records will be very important in their analysis as to what's going on with your child. And you want to make sure that you have mom, you have baby, and you have the electronic fetal heart strips. When you request these records, be sure that in your request that you've requested all three, because what can happen is sometimes the hospitals will just send one set, or they'll just send mom's records, or they'll just send baby's records, or they'll just, they won't include the electronic fetal heart monitor. They won't include the strips. So you want to make sure that you request all of that. Most hospitals are going to want to make sure that you have these requests, that this is done in writing. And one more thing, when you request these records, see if they can give you either a PDF or some type of electronic format, or they can give you a disk, because that can help with the cost of the record. So that's the purpose of today's video, just to help you understand what you can do if you've got some concerns. If you've got some concerns about your child's injury following birth, and you're not necessarily ready to speak with a birth trauma attorney like myself, but you just want to make sure that you are doing everything that you can to protect yourself and your child later down the line if you change your mind. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group, LLC. We will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.